Hello students, today I am going to teach the quadratic graph. This is exercise 3.16. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to solve the quadratic equation using graphical method and also find the nature of the quadratic equations. Now let's move on the exercise. The first question, graph the following quadratic equations and state their nature of solution. X square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. First we have to take let y equal to x square minus 9x plus 20. So we know that how to solve the quadratic equation using factorization method. Here the sum value is minus 9, the product is 20. So the roots are minus 5 and minus 4. So the graph intersect the point 5 and 4 only. That's why we take x value start from minus 4 to plus 5. So we have to take the x value according to the quadratic equations. Here x value start from minus 4 to plus 5. Next we have to find x square value. Next minus 9x plus 20 is the constant value 20. Next we have to find the y value here. So x square means 4 4s are 16. So in x square column all the values should be positive only. So next 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. 5 5s are 25. So minus 9x means we have to multiply minus 9 into x. So minus into minus plus 9 4s are 36. Minus into minus plus 9 3s are 27. So minus into minus plus 9 2s are 18. Minus into minus plus 9 1s are 9. Here also minus 9 into 0, 0. Now minus 9 into plus 1. So plus into minus minus, minus 9 is the answer. So minus 9 into 2, minus 18. Again minus 9 into 3, minus 9 3s are 27. Minus 9 into 4, 36. So minus 9 into 5, minus 45. So here 20 is the constant value. So write 20 as it is. Here also 20. So in all the columns write 20 as it is. This is a constant value. Next we have to find the y value. So x value minus 4. We have to find the corresponding y value. So y equal to x square minus 9x plus 20. So y value is the sum of x square value minus 9x value plus 20. So we have to add these three columns. So 16 plus 20, the answer is 36. So 36 plus 36, 72. Here also 20 plus 9, 29. So 29 plus 27, the answer is 56. So 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 18, the answer is 42. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 plus 20, 30. So 0 plus 20, the answer is 20. So 20 plus here 2 values positive, 1 negative. So first you add the positive value. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 minus 9, the answer is 12. So 20 plus 4, 24 minus 18, the answer is 6. So 20 plus 9, 29. So 29 minus 27, so the answer is 2. So 20 plus 16, the answer is 36. So plus 36 minus 36, the answer is 0. So 20 plus 25, 45 plus 45 minus 45, the answer is 0. Here, so plot the points. The first point is minus 4 x value. The corresponding y value is 72. So minus 4 comma 72. The second one minus 3 comma 56, minus 2 comma 42, minus 1 comma 30, 0 comma 20, 1 comma 12, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 0 and 5 comma 0. So draw the axis x dash, y dash. So in x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. The first point minus 4 comma 72. So in x axis minus 4, y axis 72, this is 70 here, 72 is the next point. So minus 4 comma 72. Second point minus 3 comma 56. This is minus 3. So minus 3 comma 50 here. This is 55. So 56. Minus 3 comma 56. Minus 2 comma 42. So minus 2 here. X axis minus 2. The y axis 40. The 42. That point only. So minus 2 comma 42. Minus 1 comma 30. So minus 1 comma 30 here. This minus 1 comma 30. 0 comma 20. This is 0 comma 20. 1 comma 12. So here 1. This is 10. 12 here only. So 1 comma 12. So 2 comma 6. So 2 here only. This is 5, 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 2. So 3 comma 2 here only, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 0. So 4 comma 0 lie on the x axis. This is 4 comma 0. Next 5 comma 0. This is 5 comma 0. So in graph, use pencil only. So in video purpose only, here I am using pen. So you should use only pencil. So without using scale, join all these points to get the parabola. This is parabola only. To get the parabola. So the parabola, there are intersect the x axis at 4 and 5. This is the the parabola intersect the x axis 4 and 5. There are 2 points of intersection with the x axis. The quadratic equation has real and unequal roots. The roots are, the solution of this quadratic equation is 4 and 5. Third question, x square plus x plus 7 equal to 0. Here we take let y equal to x square plus x plus 7. Here the x value start from minus 4 to plus 4. So first you write the x square column. Next x column here is already written x column this one. Next 7 is the constant number, write 7. So x square value, so 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So here next column is 7 is the constant number. So write as it is in 7. Next we have to find the y value. So y equal to the sum of x square plus x plus 7. So this is x square, x plus 7. So we have to add 3 columns. So 16 minus 4, the answer is 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 9 minus 3, the answer is 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 plus 7, the answer is 7. Here 0 plus 7, 7. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. Here also 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. So 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 7, 19. 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 7, 27. So plot the points. The first point is minus 4, 19. Second one, minus 3, 13. Minus 2, 9. Minus 1, 7. 0, 7. 1, 9. 2, 13. 3, 19. 4, 27. Now we have to plot the points. Plot the points. So in x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. In y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. The first point minus 4, 19. So this is minus 4. So minus 4, 19 is a 18 here. So 19 here only. So minus 4, 19. The first point minus 4, 19. The second point minus 3, 13. This is minus 3. So minus 3, 13. So that point only. So minus 3, 13. Then third point minus 2, 9. So this is minus 2. 2, 9 here only. Minus 2, 9. Minus 1, 7. So minus 1, this is 6. So minus 1, 7 here only. So minus 1, 7. 0, 7. So 0, 7 here only. 1, 9. So 1, this is a 1. X-axis 1. Y-axis 9 here. 1, 9. 2, 13. So 2, 13. 12 this one. 13 here. 2, 13. Next 3, 19. So 3, 19 here. This 18. So 19. 4, 27. So 4, 27 here. So this is 27. 26. So this only 27. So 4, 27. All these points we get the parabola. So the parabola does not intersect the x-axis at any point. Therefore, there is no solution for the given equations. So the nature of the root is there is no real roots. Fourth question, x square minus 9 equal to 0. Here also the same method. Let y equal to x square minus 9. So the x value is the constant value here start from minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then x square column. So x square value is 4 4s are 16, 9, 4, 1, 0. Here also 1, 4, 9, 16. So here minus 9 is the constant number. So write minus 9 as it is. In all the columns write minus 9. So minus 9, here also minus 9. Next we have to find the y value. So y equal to x square minus 9. So we have to add x square minus 9. So 16 minus 9, the answer is 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 4 minus 9. So here we have to subtract the answer. So big number sign only, minus 5. Minus 9 plus 1, the answer is minus 8. 0 minus 9, minus 9. Minus 9 plus 1, the answer is minus 8. Minus 9 plus 4, so the answer is minus 5. So minus 9 plus 9, 0. 16 minus 9, the answer is 7. So plot the points. The first one is minus 4 comma 7. Second one minus 3 comma 0. Minus 2 comma minus 5. Minus 1 comma minus 8. 0 comma minus 9. 1 comma minus 8. 2 comma minus 5. 3 comma 0. 4 comma 7. So draw the axis. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. In y axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. So write the scale value here. Plot the points. The first one minus 4 comma 7. So in x axis minus 4, y axis plus 7. So minus 4 comma 7. The second point minus 3 comma 0. So this minus 3, x axis minus 3. So y axis 0. The point lie on the x axis only. So minus 3 comma 0 here. Minus 2 comma minus 5. So minus 2 comma minus 5 in y axis. It is a third quadrant only. So minus 2 comma minus 5. Minus 1 comma minus 8. This is minus 1. So minus 1 comma minus 8. Next 2 comma minus 5. So this is the 2, x axis 2. 2 comma minus 5. Three comma 0. So this is 3 comma 0. 4 comma 7. So 4 comma 7, x axis 4, y axis 7 here. So join all the points. So we get the parabola. So like that, the parabola intersect the x axis at 2 points minus 3 and plus 3. So there are 2 points of intersection with the x axis. The quadratic equation has real and unequal. The roots are real but unequal roots. Therefore, the solution of this equation is minus 3 comma 3. Sixth question, 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. First, we have to form a quadratic equation. So, using binomial multiplications, 2x into x. First you multiply 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 2, 4x. Next minus 3 into x, minus 3x, plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6. So 2x square, so add the like terms, 4x minus 3x, the answer is x minus 6. So this is the quadratic equations. The same method only. First we have to take, let y equal to 2x square plus x minus 6. So here the x value is, we have to take the x value, start from minus 4 to plus 4. So this is the constant value. In all the sums we take minus 4 to plus 4. In some sums only we have to change the value. So x value minus 4 to plus 4. Next we have to find the x square value. This is the x square value, 16, 4 4s are 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Here 2x square is there. So we have to multiply 2 into x square column. That is 2 into 16. 2 16s are 32. 2 9s are 18. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 4s are 8. And 2 9s are 18. 2 16s are 32. So 2x square means we have to multiply 2 into x square column only. Next here plus x only. So already x value is there. This is the x column only. So minus 6 is the constant value. Here minus 6 right, in all the columns we write minus 6 as it is. Now we have to find the y value. So y equal to the sum of 2x square. This is 2x square plus x, this x column, minus 6. This is minus is constant value. So we have to add this 3 column only. So first one plus 32 minus 6 minus 4. First we have to add the negative value, minus 6 minus 4. The answer is minus 10. So 32 minus 10, 22. Here also minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, 18 minus 9, 9. So 8, here minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. So minus 8 plus 8, 0. Here minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. So minus 7 plus 2, the answer is minus 5. 0 minus 6 minus 6. Here plus 2, this is plus 1, add the positive value. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 6 minus 3. So 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Here also 18 plus 3, 21. So 21 minus 6, 15. Here 32 plus 4, 36. So 36 minus 6, 30. So plot the points. The first point minus 4 comma 22, minus 3 comma 9, minus 2 comma 0, minus 1 comma 5, 0 comma minus 6, 1 comma minus 3, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 15, 4 comma 30. The axis, in x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. In y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. The first point minus 4 comma 22. So plot the points minus 4 comma 22. Second one minus 3 comma 9. Minus 2 comma 0 here only. Next is 0 comma minus 1 comma minus 5. 0 comma minus 6. So here x-axis 0. Y-axis minus 6. Next 1 comma minus 3. 2 comma 4. 3 comma 15. So join the points. So we get the parabola like that. So the parabola intersect the point in x-axis minus 2. Here this 1.5 only. So the parabola intersect the point minus 2 and 1.5. There are 2 points of intersection with the x-axis. Therefore the quadratic equation has the roots are real. The roots are real and unequal roots. The solution of this equation is minus 2, 1.5.